Alright folks, grab your flat caps and pour yourself a dram of whiskey. Because today we're delving into the world of negotiation, Tommy Shelby style.
I will conduct myself as a businessman.
Who says sweetheart?
You say there is a 10-shilling disparity between male and female cutters in two of my factories. Very well. I will increase the pay of the female cutters in this factory by 5 shillings. And I will cut the pay of the male cutters in the rover by 5 shillings. Thereby achieving your sacred fucking parity.
If you want to be the master of the boardroom like the cunning leader of the Peaky Blinders, you've come to the right place.
As non-executive director of the company, I need permission from the chairman to present my strategy to the board.
Permission granted, Tom.
Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more content on mastering life's challenges. Now, let's get started. Tommy Shelby, the mastermind behind the Peaky Blinders, isn't just a gangster. He's a master of negotiation. Whether it's business, family, or survival, Tommy's approach to negotiations is one for the books.
You're fucking lying, mate. That's my money.
I see you failed to consider the form. I did blow up my own pub for the insurance.
Okay, right, well, considering the form, I would say 65 to 1. Very good odds. And I would be more than happy and agree if you decide over 65% of your business to me. Thank you.
65. No deal.
So, what can we learn from the Shelby way? Segment 1. Research and information. First and foremost, like Tommy Shelby, you need to do your homework. Information is power. Know your opponent, their weaknesses, strengths, and what drives them. Tommy would never walk into a negotiation blind, and neither should you.
You were one decision away from death, Mr. Shelby.
So stop fucking smiling.
Your name is Irene O'Donnell. You have a son at the Cherrywood Road School in Harborne. He has arms on his legs. His name is Sean. He comes last in every race. Poor boy. Poor boy if the race was important. Do you know what I mean? Irene O'Donnell.
Segment 2. Establishing dominance. Once you have your information, it's time to establish dominance. Tommy Shelby commands respect from the moment he enters a room. Walk slowly while entering the room, maintain eye contact, speak with authority, and let them know you're a force to be reckoned with. Remember, confidence is key.
Gotta give these men a drink. Everyone else go home.
Segment 3. Controlled emotion. Tommy Shelby is known for his calm and collected demeanor even in the most intense situations. Channel that controlled emotion and don't let anger or frustration cloud your judgment. Stay cool under pressure and you'll be in control of the negotiation.
Oh, what the fuck? Get it done, boys.
Segment 4. Strategic silence. One of Tommy's signature moves is his use of strategic silence. Let your opponent fill the void with concessions. Silence can be a powerful tool, forcing the other party to reveal more than they initially intended. Master this, and you'll have the upper hand.
Sit. Talking to you, Mr. Shelby.
Segment 5. Flexibility and adaptability. Negotiations rarely go as planned. Tommy Shelby excels at adapting to unexpected twists. Be flexible with your approach, know when to pivot, and always have a backup plan. Rigidity leads to defeat, adaptability leads to victory. And there you have it, negotiating Tommy Shelby style. Remember, knowledge is your weapon.
All right, men. You were mostly in the war, so you know the battle plans always change and get fucked up. Well, here it is. Things have changed. We fight them here, today, alone. Now, they're gonna come for the pub. They're gonna try and break us up for good. And we'll have no help from the law today.
And confidence is your shield, and strategic silence is your ace in the hole. Apply these principles, and you'll be a negotiation master. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which character's style you'd like us to explore next. Until next time, stay sharp, stay savvy, and keep negotiating like a Peaky Blinder. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and strategies, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.